Hi, my name is Divanshu Thakur. I did my BBA in Finance from NMAT Mumbai. After clearing my CFA level 1 exam, I decided to start my MBA preparation. I decided to enroll myself into the IMS offline program. I aimed to crack 2 exams. They were majorly CAT and NMAT. In CAT, I got an overall percentile of 99.39, and in NMAT, my score was 259. Initially, I used to struggle with quants, but after deliberating, practicing it every day, along with the help of my mentors, I was able to get better at it. Till my college, I used to study for 3 hours every day, and after graduating, I aimed to increase my hours, and they stood at around 6 hours on average. When it came to my mock strategy, I slowly increased it from giving 2 mocks every month to 4 on average in the last months. Before my exam, I gave around 8 to 10 mocks. My plan sessions came extremely handy at this because I was able to analyze with an expert of where I was going wrong and what I could do to get better at it. If I had to give 3 advices, they would be: give more mocks. Second, don't be afraid of getting poor percentiles. There will be times where you will get ups and there will be downs. And third, it's an aptitude exam. It's not that difficult. Just stay consistent at it. Thank you.